Socially distanced 230 miles away from Delft and Kokkerie, with borders and restaurants closed, travel banned from the UK, there was just one way that I was going to understand Chef Yuri's cooking, and that was to go and meet him online. Today Chef Yuri is showing me his latest lobster dish made with Canadian lobster, French foie gras, mashed Rovell potatoes and prawns.
Yeah, okay. Now, there we go. Where we start? What I do first. Yeah, this is the lobster, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. I open it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. I have cooked him for 5 minutes. And what I do, everything what you cannot eat, I put it with, where is it here? I have tomatoes with garlic and I make a stock from it.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah? Okay. So here. Then I open it. Then I make scallops. Like this. Yeah? For me it's so strange, I never met you live. And normally I do...
We'll frame that in the summer.
Huh?
I will come and see you in the summer.
Yeah, please.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. So what I have here, I have cooked potatoes.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. And yeah. What I do? Where was it here? Then I make a little bit mashed potato, because but for me it's irritated when you eat lobster. It's not so much meat, but I want also all the tastes from the lobster. So what I thought 2 days ago, yeah. I smash them. I do it a little bit faster as normally, sorry. Here. Okay, yes. Yeah, I have the garlic with the tomato, yeah?
Yes.
It's like a little bit like a thermidor. So then I open this. So all the rest of the lobsters I put in the stock, because normally a chef throw it away, but I don't like it because there is a little bit taste on it, so you must do something with it.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, yeah. This is the meat of the lobster, so you can use it.
Okay.
And how you call it? The bones or something from the lobster?
Yeah, so you take the flesh out of the shell.
Yeah, the shells, yeah, yeah. I put the meat and that I put here. So. Yeah, I tried to use everything from the lobster.
So you're like cracking the claws?
Yes. Yeah, there's also a little bit bone inside. So I throw it also there. That. Then I put a little bit of water on it. So it's gonna be my stock, yeah?
Yes.
Okay. Then we go to the next level. Wait. Yeah. This is also the meat, so that we use it. And the rest, I make a stock from it.
No, that's good.
Okay. It comes from, yeah, this I put also. And then I go to the next level. Wait. Can I make you happy? My English is not so good, but you're happy with it?
People can understand everything you're saying.
Sorry, I don't understand you. Maybe you must Jane explain it to me.
I understand everything that you are saying.
Okay. So, and what I do now is I have here foie gras.
Where's the foie gras?
It comes from France. Yeah. And I mix it with the potatoes.
How in Belgium?
With the mashed potato. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
That is very luxurious, having a foie gras mashed potato.
Yeah. That makes me happy.
What
Yeah.
type of potatoes have you used?
It's really Dutch potatoes. Yeah.
Does it have a name, chef?
They call it in French. They call it Roosevelt potatoes because they grow also in Holland.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Then I have here prawns. I cut the prawns. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Here I have a little bit of oil.
Olive oil?
No, sunflower oil. You must never lie.
Absolutely, totally agree.
Yeah.
Can't on film because somebody will catch you out if you do.
Yeah.
So, be honest, it's lovely.
Yeah. This I put in the pan for very short time. Yeah, that I put also by the mashed potatoes with the duck liver, the foie gras, and that I mixed. Yeah?
Yeah, mix it all together. So you've got foie gras, mashed potato, and duck.
Yeah, and prawns. So then I have here a little bit, I warm it again. For me it's a little bit difficult, but this recipe I was thinking 2 days ago, so I must also, for me it's a little bit experience. Yeah?
Experiment.
Yeah, experiment. Yeah, and then we have this.
And that was cream you were adding to the mashed potato.
Sorry?
Cream?
Yeah, cream. I put a little bit of cream in it. And then I put salt and pepper. Because I make this recipe for myself because I'm irritated when I order lots in a restaurant that is not enough food. Do you know what I mean?
I know exactly what you mean.
Yeah, so I was thinking how I can make a lobster what is really good, and that you have the taste of lobster, prawns, and I thought I make it very luxury that I do also some duck liver foie gras in it. So then we have this. Put a little bit more of cream. Do you enjoy it?
I'm enjoying it. I just wish I was there to eat it.
Yeah. For me, it's so frustrated that you can taste it. Because it's really nice.
I can see it, but I can't taste it. But
Yeah.
That's it.
Okay, so we have here the foie gras with mashed potato and prawns. Yeah, this is a stock. Normally it must cook for I think 20-25 minutes that you have a really good reduction. Yeah? So then I do a very classic technical, I make roux. Do you know what the roux? Do you know what it is?
Yes.
Okay, sorry that I said, but I don't know.
No, that's
Yeah, some journalists they don't nothing about really cooking, so sorry, excuse me, but yeah.
no problem.
Here I have butter with onion, yeah. Then
Is
I,
it salted or unsalted butter?
sorry,
Salted or non-salted butter?
not salted butter,
Okay,
yeah. Okay.
lovely.
Then I put the flour by the butter. Yeah. Like this. Must be a little bit more. Normally we must wait for the really good taste with the stock from the shells of the lobster. But we have not so much time because here we have an evening clock. So I must be before 9 o'clock, I must be at home because then I have the police.
We don't want that. You don't want to get arrested because you could dinner for me.
Yeah. It's important when you make the roux that you cook it for 1-2 minutes, because then when you don't do that, then you have only then you have the taste of flour in your mouth, and that is not what you want.
That's not what you want to do. You want to do just to be nice and creamy.
Yeah. Yeah. You can see everything, Laurence?
I can see everything. It's wonderful. I just wish I was there to taste it.
Okay. Yeah. Normally, when you make a roux, the roux must be hot and the stock must be cold.
Yes.
That's very important. But on here. And together with some stock. And it's
Okay.
not too hot. So. Yeah, and you see?
Yes, I do.
Yeah? Okay. Then I go further. I must have a sieve. Yeah. Sorry, I do it. Oh my god, it's working or not? Yeah, it's working, I know. Yeah. So now I have the sauce, and I make it like lobster thermidor, the
Okay.
sauce. put some salt on it. Yeah?
Yes, so the thermal sauce,
Sorry?
that what you have in the pan is like a thermal sauce.
Yeah, but what I do is what I make is the rest the shells of the lobster, which you normally throw away. I make a sauce from it, so that you have lobster, and no more lobster, so that you have eat enough when you eat lobster.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Okay. There we go. Yeah, this is my plate.
Plate looks lovely.
Yeah, okay. Now, there we go. Here we have the lobster. Yeah?
Yes.
Okay. Then we have here, I'm gonna have another spoon. Wait, one moment. Yeah. Yeah, what I do, the foie gras with the prawns and the mashed potatoes, I do inside, yeah?
Okay, yes.
Not too much, because then you eat only potatoes with the duck, and that is not what I want. So, then we have the meat of the lobster, like this. You can see everything or not?
Everything is. Your plating is superb.
Okay, so then we have this. The prawns are a little bit raw, but that is what I want. So, this is the sauce with all the rest of the lobster. And what I do, for 20 minutes, I put it in the oven and then I serve it.
Okay.
So,
you actually put
this is for you.
Thank you.
So, yeah.
Thank you, Chef Yuri. That looks delicious. This video was shot at the Kokkerie in Delft on behalf of Artisanal Provender Productions. This is Laurence's first cross-channel cooking session with a celebrity chef. It will be shortly followed by another video with Chef Yuri's Sommelier, at which we will explore the wines he would pair with the lobster. Allard Sieburgh is Chef Yuri's consultant sommelier at the Kokkerie. With the lobster he has paired Anima, which is a 100% organic Chenin Blanc made by Avondale in the Paarl region of the Western Cape of South Africa.
The wine. I've chosen a wine, a really nice wine, Anima, for the dish, special dish of Yuri, lobster with mousseline of duck liver and potato, so rich flavors. So I've also chosen a rich wine. A friend of mine, Ian and Wine, delivers me the wine because it's a special one. So sometimes you need friends to give it you. It's a bio wine, really special. It's too long to explain in the short film, but I will taste the wine. You see, it's dark gold colored. It's has a mineral nose, and it's also rich, by almost buttery. And we love it by the dish of Yuri. So I will take a sip. I really know that it fits. It's smoky, it's rich, flavors of baked potato almost, really rich extract, but also really fresh. So I think that is what you need with the lobster dish. Thank you.